Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ripple using Binance, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase XRP through the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Step 1. Visit Binance.com or download the Binance app from your device's official app store. Create an account by registering with your email or phone number. Step 2. Complete the identity verification process required for trading. Provide personal information and upload photos of your government-issued identification. Step 3. Secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication through Google Authenticator or SMS. Add additional security features as desired. Step 4. Fund your Binance account by clicking Buy Crypto. Select from available deposit methods including credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 5. After funding, navigate to the trading interface by clicking Trade and selecting either Classic or Advanced View. Search for XRP trading pairs. Step 6. Select your preferred trading pair such as XRP/USDT or XRP/BTC. Choose between a market order for instant purchase or a limit order for a specific price. Step 7. Enter the amount of XRP you want to buy and review the total cost including fees. Click Buy XRP to execute the trade. Your Ripple will appear in your Binance Spot wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.